Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. The last class we finished our first chapter. Okay, do you study the first chapter? Did you study? I think. Did you study? Okay, I hope you are studying well the first chapter. Then now we are going to start our second chapter. Chapter 1 we can add. Do you know addition? Addition. What is addition? Addition. Then our second chapter is we can add. Addition. This is the introduction part of addition. What is the sign? This is. How to read this? Plus. What is? Plus. Means addition. Okay. Then what is this answer? 1 plus 1. What is the answer? 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1? 2. Okay, you got 2. Then again I write 2 plus 3. How to get 2 plus 3? When you say what? 2, keep it in your mind. Take your 3 fingers, count after 2. 2, keep it in your mind. Take your 3 fingers, count after 2. What is 2? Count after 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the answer? 2 plus 3? 5. Then again we are writing 5 plus 4. How to get 5 plus 4? 5 plus 4. 5, keep it in your mind. Take your 4 fingers, count after 5. Then take your 4 fingers, count after 5. Then you count it. Count after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the answer? 5 plus 4? 9. Again we are doing 9 plus 5. What is 9 plus 5? Same method we are using. 9, keep it in your mind. Take your 5 fingers, count after 9. Count after 9. Are you in the 3rd standard student? Do you know the addition? If you don't know, you do like this, okay? Then 9 plus 5. Then 9, keep it in your mind. Take your 5 fingers, count after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What is the answer? 14. Again we are writing 14 plus 6. 14 plus 6. How to do 14 plus 6? Take your 6 fingers, count after 14. Count after 14. Count it. Count after 14. Count it. Count. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We got what? 20. We got 20. Okay. Then you should given the number 9 plus 5. 9, count after, take the 5 fingers and count after 9. Then we got 40. Okay, understood. So I shall give you so many questions. So we can understood well. Okay. Then we got 20. Then in 20, how to write 20 in different ways? How to get 20 in different ways? How many such 20 in different ways? How many? How to write that? Then first of all I will say you. You see the 10 rupee notes? 10 rupee notes. Then one children has a 2 10 rupees note. What is the total amount? 2 10 rupees note. 2 10 rupees note. 10 plus 10 what is? 10 plus 1. 10 plus 10. What is the answer? 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 is equal to what? Then you have a 2 10 rupees note. This what is the total amount? 20 rupees. What is the total amount? 20 rupees. Understood? Then how to write this 20 in different way? You make the pairs. Make the pairs. To make 20, you make the pairs. Then what's the first pair I will write? I wrote the first pair 10 plus 10 equal to what? 20. Then how to write in different ways to get a 20. You make the pairs. First of all, write 15 plus 5. What is 15 plus 5? Take your 5 fingers and count after 15. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again we got another pair. 15 plus 5. Then can you see the another pair? Can you see? Okay, I'll write that. What is 18 plus 2? What is 18 plus 2? 20. 18 plus 2 what? 20. Then here you got this is the fourth pair. Another pair. 14 plus 6. What is 14 plus 6? 20. Okay. Then this way we can make the pairs. Okay. Any number there, write the two numbers here. Then add these two numbers. So we will get what? 20. This way we can make the pairs to get 20. Understood? Then how to make the pairs in 30. 30. Make the pairs. How many such pairs did you get in 30? How many such pairs did you get in 30? Have any idea how to write it? Then first pair, I will write the first pair. First one is 20 plus 10. What is 20 plus 10? 20 plus 10, 30. 20 plus 10, 30. Then again, next step. What is the next pair? 25 plus 5. What is 25 plus 5? Again 30. Then 15 plus 50. 15 plus 15 what? 30. Then again 26 plus 4. 26 plus 4. Take 4 fingers in your hand, count after 26. 27, 28, 29, 30. What is 30? 30. Then you can make the so many pairs to get 30. Then we are right what? 10 plus 10 plus 10. What? This is not a pair. Then we can write like this. 23 plus 7. What is 23 plus 7? 30. 23 plus 7? 30. Then 16 plus 14. What is 16 plus 30? 16 plus 14. What is the answer? 30. Then we can make how many pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pairs. Then this way we can make the so many pairs. Okay. Then I will write one number. Before our class time, you should find out at least 5 pairs. At least 5 pairs. I will write one number here. Before our Google Meet time, you should find out at least 5 pairs. Okay, 70. My number is 70. You can make at least 5 pairs. How many such pairs did you get in 70? You should find out at least 5 pairs to get 70. This is our class work. Okay, before our class time, you should find out and write in your maths notebook. Okay, children. So, then we are write the addition. We are going to study what addition. Then first of all, we are doing addition of 1 digit number. 1 digit. This is the basic section of this chapter. Okay. The next 3 plus 7. What is 7 plus 3? Again take 3 fingers in your hand. Count after 7. So 8, 9, 10. You do what? 10. What is this? 4 plus 2. Or 2 plus 4. Both are same. So take your 2 fingers. Count after 4, 5, 6. This is the addition of 1 digit number. The next is addition of 2 digit number. 2 digit number. Then I write one number 23 plus 51. Do this. First you are starting from 1's place. addition can start from ones place. Okay, start from one place. Then add these two numbers. 1 plus 3, 4. 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7. Then 2, take in your finger, then count after 5. 6, 7. You got what? 74. Okay, next up. Write next number. 47 plus 32. Add these two numbers. First of all, you add. First, you are starting from ones place. Addition starting from ones place. 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 or 7 plus 2. Both are same. Okay, 2 plus 7 or 7 plus 2. Both are same. Take your two fingers. Count after 7. 8, 9. 9 is right. Then again, take your 3 fingers. Count after 4. Or take your 4 fingers. Count after 3. Both are same. You do as you like it. Okay. Then take your 4 fingers. Count after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. We got what? 79. Okay. This is the addition of 1-digit number and 2-digit numbers. Okay. You remember one thing. You should find out the pairs of 70. Okay, at least 5, you find out at least 5 pairs to add to get a 70. Don't forget that. Okay, children, this is the basic section of the second chapter we can add. So, all of you understood this, sir? Then if you have any doubt, you discuss our class time. Okay. Then, okay, bye. See you next week.